Good morning, students. In this today's class, we are discussing the methods of preparation for the carboxylic acid. In the last class, we have discussed and four methods for the preparation for the carboxylic acid. First one is the from primary alcohol, and second method is the from aldehydes, and third one is the from alkyl benzene, and fourth one I have given the homework, that is one equation I have given the homework. And fourth one is the from cyanoalkane or alkyl cyanide or alkane nitride. Okay. Then the fifth method for the preparation of an carboxylic acid is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent, we can prepare the carboxylic acid. The fifth method is the from Grignard reagent. So let us see how the carboxylic acids are prepared from the Grignard reagent. When the Grignard reagent react with the carbon dioxide, it will give, that is dry carbon dioxide. Then it will use the addition product which on hydrolysis, which on acid hydrolysis, it will use the compound called the carboxylic acid. Then let us know what is Grignard reagent here. The Grignard reagent are MgX, that is the Grignard reagent is R MgX. This alkyl magnesium halide is known as an Grignard reagent. Here the R is maybe the aliphatic or maybe the aromatic. When the Grignard reagent react with the dry carbon dioxide, then it will use an addition product. The addition product is here. Due to the dislocation of electron, the oxygen will get the negative charge, and then this negative part will attach here. This is the negative part and this is the positive part. Then consider these electrons are dislocating to the these electrons are shifting to the oxygen. Then the oxygen will get the partial negative charge. This negative part will attach to the positive part, and the negative part will attach to the positive part here. Okay. Then this will become the positive. Then R, then that is C. Here negative, it is the positive carbon. Double bond O. Then single bond, that is O. MgX. This is the positive part. MgX here. This is an addition product. The addition product, that is R C double bond O MgX on hydrolysis, that is MgX here on hydrolysis, it will produce here in the hydrolysis, we can represent like this H and OH. Okay. Then on hydrolysis, it will produce the R C double bond O OH here, that is carboxylic acid. This part will attach to the here MgX plus, that is Mg halogen and OH. The compound is the carboxylic acid. The main product is the carboxylic acid. Then this is the general representation of an, that is the general representation for the preparation of carboxylic acid by the Grignard reagent. Then let us take one example here. In the place of R, I will take the CS3. In the place of X, we can take the chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. Then R, and that is in the place of R, I am taking the CS3 here. Methyl magnesium iodide. I will take the methyl magnesium iodide. when react with the dry carbon dioxide, then it will give an addition product. Here the addition product is CS3 and C double bond O, then O MgX. This is the addition product. Addition product of this name for this compound is methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. It is the dry carbon dioxide. Dry carbon dioxide, we can call it as dry ice. When the methyl magnesium iodide react with the dry carbon dioxide, then it will use the addition product. The addition product which undergo further hydrolysis, that is acid hydrolysis, CS3C double bond O, then OMgX, which undergo further acid hydrolysis, that is acid hydrolysis, we can write here H plus. The acid hydrolysis, it will use the compound and acetic acid, CS3 C double bond O, OH, and MgX, OH, that is X I am taking here iodine, and OH. The name for this compound is that is acetic acid. The name is an acetic acid. The general name is acetic acid, and the IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Okay? This is the one example. Let us take another example. That is C6. I will take the aromatic. In the place of R, I will take aromatic group, that is benzene, C6H5, C6H5 MgX. Here it is known as phenyl magnesium, magnesium halide. When react with dry carbon dioxide, that is dry ice, then it will use the addition product. Here the addition product is C6H5 C double bond O, OMgX. Okay. The addition product on further acid hydrolysis, that is C6H5 C double bond O, then OMgX. On further acid hydrolysis, that is a breakdown of water in the presence of acid, which is on further hydrolysis, it will produce the benzoic acid. The here main product is the benzoic acid. C6H5 COOH plus, it is Mg. One minute. Okay, the main Mg here I will take, in the place of X we can take any halogen. I will take here iodine, and here it will become the iodine, and here it will be the iodine. Then MgI, then OH. The main product is an benzoic acid. The main product is the benzoic acid. This is about the fifth method, that is preparation of carboxylic acid by the help of an Grignard reagent. When the Grignard reagent reacts with the dry ice, it will use the addition product which on further acid hydrolysis produces the respective carboxylic acid. Then let us see sixth method here. Sixth one, from acid halide, okay. Acid halide, in the sense we can represent this acid halide RC double bond O X. It is known as an acid halide. Okay. when the acid halides, that is RC double bond OX, undergo hydrolysis, it will produces the compound called carboxylic acid. Okay, it produces an RC double bond OH plus HX. The compound is the carboxylic acid. Here the carboxylic acid is formed. The main product is the carboxylic acid. Okay. When the acid halides undergo hydrolysis, that is hydrolysis is carried out in the presence of acid, which acid halides undergo hydrolysis in the presence of acid, it will give the compound carboxylic acid. So let us see another, that is when these acid halides react with the base, solution of base, it may be a potassium hydroxide or it may be a sodium hydroxide. When react with and potassium or sodium hydroxide, then it will use the compound potassium or sodium salt of carboxylic acid. It will use the sodium salt of and carboxylic acid. This is the sodium salt of carboxylic acids. Okay. The sodium salt of carboxylic acid further undergo hydrolysis in the presence of an acid, undergo acidification. These on acidification, that is, it will produce just the compound called carboxylic acid. Okay. It will produce just the compound, that is acidification here, H3O plus. Okay. H3O plus. Okay. Then these will react further with the acid, that is acidification. You can call it as acidification to form the compound called RC double bond OH, that is acid. It is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. And this is the general representation for the preparation of a carboxylic acid by the help of acid halide. We can prepare the acid halides on hydrolysis. It will use the carboxylic acid. We can also prepare the acid halides by treating to the sodium hydroxide. Then it will use the sodium salt of acid. Then further acidification, it will produce the carboxylic acid as the main product. Now let us see an example here. First one. The example is in the place of R, we can take the CS3. CS3, C double bond O, X. In the place of X, I can take the any halogen here. I am taking the Br when the acid halides react with and the acid halides undergo hydrolysis in the presence of acid, then it will use the compound and carboxylic acid. Okay, here I am taking the CS3. CS3C double bond OH plus HBr. This acetic acid is the main product. The main product is the acetic acid. When the acid halides this compound on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, it will use the acetic acid. And when we take the second example, that is second one, C6H5, okay, we can treat with the and sodium hydroxide also. When CS3C double bond Br react with the sodium hydroxide, it will use the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. It produces the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which on acid hydrolysis, which on acidification, which are acidic. First we are treating with the sodium hydroxide and further these are carrying the acidification, then it will produce the compound called CS3C double bond OH, that is acetic acid will be the main product here. Okay? The main product is the acetic acid. Then next one, that is example second one, C6H5 C double bond O, sorry, C6H5, okay, X here, acid halide when react with anhydrolysis, first we are carrying the hydrolysis, it will produce the compound called and benzoic acid C6H5C double bond OH. The main product will be the benzoic acid. When we treat this acid halide to the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, first it will produce the sodium salt of benzoic acid and further which on acidification produces the benzoic acid. Okay. C6H5 C double bond O X, in the place of X we can take any halogen. When treated with sodium hydroxide, when in the first step we are treating with the sodium hydroxide, then it will use the sodium salt of and carboxylic acid, and further which are on acidification, that is H3O plus, treating with the acid, then it will produce the compound called and benzoic acid C6H5 C double bond OH. The main product will be the benzoic acid. The main product will be here benzoic acid. This is about the sixth method, from that is from acid halides we can prepare the carboxylic acid by treating with the water of acid hydrolysis, it will produce the carboxylic acid, or we can treat with the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, we use the sodium salt of and acid or carboxylic acid, which on further acidification produces the respective carboxylic acid. Then let us take seventh method, that is seventh method. From the seventh method is from acid anhydride, from acid anhydrides. The seventh method is as from acid anhydride. With the help of acid anhydride, we can prepare the carboxylic acid also. Let us see how the carboxylic acids are prepared here. When the acid anhydrides, that is R, C double bond O, C double bond O, R dash, these compounds are known as an acid anhydrides. This type of compounds are known as acid anhydrides. When the acid anhydrides react with when the acid anhydrides undergo hydrolysis, it will produce the compound called an carboxylic acid. Okay? So here R C double bond OH plus R C double bond OH. The main product will be the carboxylic acid. Okay? The main product will be the carboxylic acid here. The example one, the example first. The example is the seventh method is from acid anhydride, that is when acid anhydride undergo hydrolysis, it will produce the carboxylic acid. Here example we can take one example I will take here, and CS3 C double bond O, then we can write like this also, C double bond O CS3. This compound is known as an acetic anhydride. This compound is known as acetic anhydride. When the acetic anhydrides undergo hydrolysis, then it will produce, that is here OH and here H, then it will produce the CS3C double bond OH plus CS3C double bond OH. Both the compounds are and carboxylic acid. Here the carboxylic acids are acetic acids. The compounds are the acetic acid are the compounds here. We can take the example here. Another example. In the place of methyl, this is the homer. In the place of and methyl, take the benzene, that is C6H5, and carry out the reaction. This is the homer. This is about the today's class, that is methods for the preparation of carboxylic acid. That is fifth one from the Grignard reagent, sixth one from the acid halide, seventh one from the acid anhydrides. Okay. In the next class, we will see the more number of methods for the preparation of